Hi, my name is Michael. I'm an engineer at RethinkDB, and we're excited to announce the 1.13 release today. So there's a lot of cool stuff in it. We made some interesting changes to the drivers, including official support for Node.js promises in the JavaScript driver. But both of the really big changes have to do with making it easier to get data into RethinkDB or out of it. So the first big change is we added a command called r.http, which lets you make HTTP requests directly from the database to external services like GitHub or Twitter. And this just makes the experience of getting external JSON data into your database really easy and seamless. The other cool change we made is we added a much requested feature called changefeeds, which let you subscribe to the changes on a table, and then whenever anyone else inserts or deletes or modifies a row in that table, you get a notification in your client telling you what changed. And this makes it much easier to write apps that need to react to changes in the database, like a live scoreboard or whatever. And it also makes it much easier to integrate RethinkDB with external services like Elasticsearch or RabbitMQ that need to change their state to reflect underlying changes in the data. So let me go show you a few examples of those right now. All right, so we're here in the Data Explorer, and I'm going to show you an example of r.http and changefeeds. So the first thing we're going to do is use r.http to get a list of stargazers from GitHub and insert them into this table of stargazers I'm about to create. So we can do that by just taking the table stargazers and inserting into it with the r.http command. I happen to have a URL all ready to go here. So once we've done that, we can just read from the table stargazers and get a list of all the objects we just fetched from GitHub and inserted into it. So let me show you how changefeeds works with this. So I can take this table stargazers over here on the right in the Ruby driver, subscribe to the changes on it, run that, and then for each change, print that change out. And then if I go back to the Data Explorer over here and call delete on the stargazers table, you'll see that the Ruby driver gets a summary object for each change. And this summary object shows both the old value and the new value, which is nil, because we just deleted something. There are more detailed tutorials on both of these features below if you want to learn more. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the 1.13 release.